Want to save on baggage fees and travel with ease? In today's video, I'm sharing my top tips for packing light and avoiding those pesky baggage charges. Let's learn how to travel with minimal luggage and make the most out of carry-ons. First, choosing the right bag is essential. Find a lightweight, compact carry-on that fits airline requirements. Backpacks, compact suitcases, and duffel bags are perfect options. Remember, a smaller bag keeps you within weight limits and helps avoid fees. Next, pack strategically. Choose versatile pieces that you can mix and match to create multiple outfits. Stick to neutral colors and essentials. Think lightweight tops, a few layers, and comfortable shoes. Planning your outfits in advance will prevent overpacking. Packing cubes and compression bags are your best friends for saving space. Not only do they help keep things organized, but compression bags can also reduce bulk, giving you more room to fit everything you need in one carry-on. To save on space and comply with TSA regulations, transfer toiletries into travel-sized containers. Bring only the essentials, and if you need more, remember you can always buy it at your destination. This will save room and weight in your bag. When it's time to travel, wear your bulkiest items like jackets, sneakers, or sweaters. This keeps the heaviest pieces out of your bag and frees up more space for lighter items. Plus, you can layer up to stay cozy during the flight. Traveling light doesn't just save on baggage fees, it makes the journey smoother and more convenient. Try these tips for your next trip and enjoy the freedom of packing light. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your own packing hacks.